Hey there, savvy social media users. Are you looking to secure your Facebook account by logging out, especially when using shared devices? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you the quick and easy steps to log out of Facebook. So, let's ensure your account stays safe and sound. Follow along. Step 1, head over to Facebook on your device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2, click on your profile picture at the top right of the Facebook page. Step 3, in the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and find the Logout option. Step 4, click Logout. If prompted, confirm your choice and voila, you're logged out, and just like that, you're out and your account is secure. Remember, it's always a good practice to log out of your accounts, especially on devices that aren't yours. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time, stay safe online.